Afternoon, please like, share, comment, subscribe. If you're new to the channel, please hit the notification bell. And do I have a special video for you? We got some more Tesla accessories. So without further ado, let's get right to it. All right. So we have another product from Modify, and they make some really excellent Tesla accessories. And if you're into Tesla accessories, this is the company that you definitely want to go check out. And we have this right here. Let's take a look. Let's do a little bit of an unboxing video. So I'm the type of guy that I love Tesla accessories. And for all you Tesla fans out there, this is definitely gonna be something for you. So let's take a look. Here's the box with all the instructions. And these are all the stuff included in the box. For the left side and the right side. Oh wow. Oh wow. Really nice here. And this is the card with the QR code that comes with it. So let's take a look at this right here. Okay, it looks like there's more stuff in here that's included. So this right here is for the Model Y. And then this right here okay. So this product's actually called the Door Defender. If you're a type of person that is worried about when you shut your Tesla doors, basically what this is you wrap this around your door right here at every single corner of your door, and this will basically stop you from door dinging other people. You know, a lot of times when you park beside somebody and you open your door and it dings. So this is called the Door Defender, and this is where you place this around the. It tells you all the places to place the item on your vehicle to protect it from door dinging other vehicles and other cars. So this is a very useful product that I highly recommend that you take a look at. Very, you know, I mean, like, everybody needs something like this. And it looks like there's still more stuff in here. So let's take a look. Oh, so these are the alcoholic wipes. And if you want to read the manual and everything for this product right here, but this is going to be basically the Modify Door Defender that's going to help you protect you from door dinging other vehicles, or at least protect your vehicle. And this will work with the Model Y and the Model 3. So very excellent. It has an instruction installation QR code right here. So in case you want to figure out more about the product and more about installing, you can always take a look at this QR code and get this ball rolling for you. So a very excellent product. Highly recommend it. So go check out Modify. They make great products for your Tesla. Thank you for watching. Take care. Have a good one. And I'll see you on the next one.